wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against my thing.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco Dan. I'm there with another mad video. You don't know what time it is. Yeah man, people from a see from the title, you already see what we're dealing with. Yeah man, today Tamil Sparta, Naviigator and JayCrazie drop a new song and a new video titled Baff. Yeah man, I want to check it out and see what I go on. You already know what time it is, people. Before we even jump in the track, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. Likes really help my YouTube algorithm and helps push my videos out there and my channel grow, so I really appreciate it. But yeah man, guys, Tamil Sparta, Naviigator, JayCrazie, Baff. Come on, let's jump in that track right now and see what I go on. Baff, yo, you like
Naviigator Entertainment. Make shots split too much. Superman feeling brief, trying to run up. Say your quotes, say your body fist one up. Can't find your leg, cup I can't with your stomach. Shot done with it and nothing else to hold up.
Easy. You don't know Tamil kick it off with him with the classic grimy, I would say Jamaican, they would call it horrorcore or darkcore style, you know, with the gothic style. You don't know, like the whole you know what I'm saying, the war ready vibes, you know, that upbeat tempo, ready for go mash on work style. Yeah man, Tamil, yeah man, classic Tamil. Hey boy, I don't know psychopathic. Eh? You know what's a truth to the ratchet? How I'm doing? Shit, the place with the jungle Jesus, boy. I'm tell a long time. Yeah, I know nobody ain't gone there, no. Nobody jungle Jesus, no. You better behave on yourself. Come on. Hey boy, you get poof Baff. Fuck with them mafia, they don't get coof cut. I see Tamil watch a bling like a glistening like dark a while ago, you know dark. Hey. So long did the Sparta boss out of jail now? Cause what they had Tamil lock up, you know, hopefully out of jail and them thing there and stop, you know, mess with the artist. Flip up like a skater, fire up on a ripple, link the 20 acre, 16 rip them like a paper, delete them like a data. You motherfucker, you know me psychopathic. You not up nothing but a true erratic. Run down, crazy, and not a dematic. Boy, inside here where crime scene graphic. Hey boy, inside here where crime scene graphic. Big fat brain when I chop it to the traffic, and if funny movement 16, I go cap it. Big fat range man, I chop it through the traffic. Come on. Like a ball for Jesus, boy. You hear that? Behave on yourself. Coof cough. Coof cough. My binds him. You mean man, this still say my binds him, man. Yo, hold them, my boy. Easy. All the thugs in one piece. Oh, dark and evil. Hey. easy dopey when we pull up. Come you know. Crime scene some come you know. Pan the man watch dog. The man watch a bling. Yo. Shh. Ice. The time you look at him put on weight man.
Naviigator Entertainment.
RTV. Mad thing. Hey. Yeah man. Don't know people that was Tommy Lee, JayCrazie, Baff. Yeah man, that one there is a mad one from Tommy Lee people. Don't know if you like that one, they definitely go check it out. Show the artist some level and support, make you know say a jam pisco senor. Yeah man, I definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I definitely get it done. Yeah man, let me know what your favorite part was the lyrics, the visuals, the artist, the flow, the melody. What was your favorite part? Let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what country you're watching from, what state you're watching from, what city you're watching from, what town you're watching from. Go ahead, drop your location, go ahead and drop your emojis. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You already know what time it is, guys. You don't know. Yeah man, guys. Yeah man, real dope track from Tommy Lee. Really burn up that like guys with Sparta boss doing thing. Don't know man, we're not gonna hold it much longer. See y'all in the comment section. Till next time guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.